Oh! It is. Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing another exciting item. This is super new thing for me. First impressions, honest review video for you guys. As you notice, I'm not wearing any foundation yet because we're gonna be reviewing the color changing foundation. It sounds bizarre to me. How can the foundation adjust to the skin color? I mean, I personally need to match my body color together with my face because usually my face is a bit lighter. Plus I have this rosacea going on and also need to cover that. But yeah, I'm really skeptical how can this work. So I picked up the brand called TLM. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing correctly. So basically what they state on packaging is that it's a color changing foundation. It's all day flawless, lit from within complexion, perfectly flawless finish, SPF 15. Even the SPF 15 is included. It's just far too good to be true. So first thing what they saying in here that it's being created for a very last high definition technology of the film and TV industry. Ultra HD advanced formulas look invisible on 4K camera and to the naked eye. Perfect for the makeup pros and for you. Sounds too good to be true. Ultra HD foundation feels like a second skin but still provides medium coverage, and the light diffusing formula looks natural and makes skin look flawless and feel moisturized. Exclusive 4K complex guarantees invisible, natural and comfortable makeup. The fluid texture blends in seamlessly and conceals imperfections to unify the skin's texture. Great for all skin types, bear in mind I have super oily skin, and features a full range of shades to cover all skin tones. That's a big statement on the packaging. I think without any further ado, we should just open this up and see what we got. It's see-through, so you can see that foundation itself is white. Alright, let's start on the hand. It's brand new, so still going here. Oh. It goes like a moisturizer so far. Took obviously far too much. Let's take a bit smaller now. Is anything happening? Oh! It is! Oh my god! What just happened, you guys? It definitely gave some coverage, although I'm not sure if my rosacea gonna be covered with this, because it's definitely not full coverage, but it gave coverage to my hand. I'm rather confused, to be honest. Let's try on the face, I guess. Maybe I should try on a half to see the difference. Let's do on a half at first. And we shall see. Okay, so far it goes white. I'm not sure if I should use a brush or a sponge. It looks like it kind of takes a bit time to adjust to the skin. I'm rather confused. So far, I don't know. It got just whiter, but coverage-wise, it did nothing. Should I put a bit more? It smells very nice though. That's the only plus so far. Should I use a sponge maybe? Let's try that. Maybe I can buff this in better. It's kind of difficult to work with because I'm not sure what I'm doing. What is happening? I'm like prepping for Halloween makeup right now. It changed the color on my hand, so I'm not sure what's happening. Plus, I'm a bit confused how it's gonna change the color on my rosacea. So will it get red more? So I'm checking on my hand. It has like a little granules. I don't even know how to explain. Like a little tiny balls that kind of explodes into the color to match because it matched perfectly on my hand. So maybe sponge doesn't break those little bubbles off. Should I just try to tap with my finger on my face to break it into the color? Oh, getting darker. Can you see it goes like darker stripes even? Because these bubbles are breaking. Do you see this? It does work, but the sponge is too gentle, I guess, to break this into the color. Blending with a finger, the color appears. It's not white anymore where I blended, while in here I haven't touched it and it looks white. It doesn't adjust itself automatically. You need to work it into the skin, break those granules. Look at this. So far it gives coverage actually. Look, the redness slowly is disappearing. Just a bizarre top light foundation with a finger. Maybe the warmth of a finger melts it, because it didn't work with sponge at all. You see, guys, it just stayed white. But with a finger, it kind of blends, because there's no instruction whatsoever on how to apply it. Even though I'm applying with a finger, it gives very natural coverage. I'm just trying to see from monitor if you can see the difference. So what I think about it, it doesn't feel like a foundation to begin with. It feels as a moisturizer. If you ever use the BB or CC cream, it's like that. So for me, it's more as a moisturizer, and you need to apply it as a moisturizer with a brush or with a sponge. It doesn't change the color, because with a sponge and with a brush, nothing happened. As you see, my face looked pure white. And even now, looking at the monitor, I see that this part looks lighter. Do you think this matching the rest of my body? I think it's slightly bit too light to match. So my verdict is, it does work. It changed the color, and they say that it's a medium coverage. I would say more it's a light coverage. I mean, it did cover my redness in here, so it did a great job, but I wouldn't apply this normally. Like, I'm self-conscious about this redness, so I would go full coverage rather than medium coverage. Although it gives this kind of dewy finish, very natural looking finish. It did kind of match my skin tone. I would want it to be darker, but then I have no idea how this works. It's not a foundation in my opinion, it's more as a tinted moisturizer. It feels very, very nice on the skin, by the way. It feels very moisturizing. That's what I'm saying. It's more as a moisturizer than a foundation. It doesn't give that much coverage. If you have a nice skin, not super problematic, and you don't need much of a coverage, then it's perfect. It's like a tinted moisturizer that adjusts naturally to your skin color, and it's perfect, and it's super moisturizing if you need a very light coverage. But if you like me and you need more coverage, then it's not really for you. Like, I don't think I'm gonna use it ever again, because it's just not enough of a coverage for me. I don't know, maybe on a summertime to go kind of looking makeup free, because this gives that makeup free illusion. It doesn't feel like foundation, it doesn't look like foundation. So for that reason, I think thumbs up for this product. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this first impressions review video and you found this helpful. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you tried already product like this or exactly the same product, and if it worked or didn't work for you, and what you would like to see next on my channel. And I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Ciao, guys. Have a great day.